Holy sanctity of you, where we are being enlightened and being liberated from the earthly wanton desires and illusory adult. The school is established according to your passion, grows trudging along, being a toddler on the phone lap of you. Impart us the values, truth, justice, humility, simplicity at large, and embrace us the religion of love and care, regarding us as innocent children of you. You, bountiful mother.
Magic show, recitation, speech given by the Hkmes director, prize distribution, culture and dance. With Chitramala, kids are danced, news reading, speech by the principal of boarding Hkmes, songs from the boarders Hkmes. What of things? This must be given by assistant boarding master Hkmes. Closing song. The last one is valedictory speech that must be given by the president of the function. Guest of honor, Y. Navachandra, Vice Principal, Hkmes G. Our respected Principal B. Sir Sovan has taken the seat for President, and so now Miss Monica and our students are on the way of garlanding this. so the candle for this function is going to be lit by our respected chief guest, namely H.K.M.E.S. Now, prize distribution program is going to take up, and so the prizes are going to be given away by our VIPs. So let's give a big hand to encourage this small girl. And next, K. Sangita Devi, class 4, roll number 65. She got 525 and 95.45%. K. Sangita Devi.
As Sir Samring Anal of class 7, roll number 30, to receive the prize of best attendance. Next is U. Ramesh Chandra Singh of class 8, roll number 6. 100% of attendance. Next is I. Resma Devi of class 9, roll number 18. She also attended the class 100%. I call upon I. Resma Devi of class 9, roll number 18 to receive the prize of best attendance.
Next, we have selected a student from class 9S, the best student of discipline. This principal Hkmes, best discipline. And now M. Sophia Devi is currently in class 10 now, and she is decided by the judges. And so, sir, sir, respected Sir Priya Kumar and Sir Y. Dineswar are requested to come up on the stage, please.